And this morning, new data from the FDA's Vaccine Advisory Committee is expected to be published on Pfizer and BioNTech's vaccine for kids under 5 years old.
Jasmine Monroe joins us live this morning with what you need to know for your children. Jasmine, good morning.
Hey, good morning to both of you. That's right. So they're going to prioritize those hardest hit areas first. And this is all expected to roll out February 21st. So let's break down exactly what will happen for you if you have kids under that age. So are about 18 million children ages between 6 months to 4 years old in the United States. Not to mention the U.S. is planning to ship an additional 10 million doses of the Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine to states and other entities before the end of February. Now, should the FDA authorize their use, Pfizer and BioNTech are expected kids under 5 will ultimately need 3 doses for the highest level of protection against the Omicron COVID-19 variant and future strands of the virus. Now, we got a chance to speak to doctors locally, and here's what they had to say when it came to vaccinating your kids.
The way the virus has evolved, the virus is now able to infect the youngest children, much more so than they were when this pandemic started. It just tells us that we're coming to a head where we can actually start to protect the youngest members of our society.
Now, again, this rollout will happen February 21st if approved. And again, Maureen, this is something that parents are really going to have to think about. Your children, 6 months to 4 years old, will you vaccinate them? It'll be a whole nother topic of conversation, and I'm sure we'll be following this story very closely throughout the end.
Right. I mean, you have a lot of daycares that have had to shut down whenever there's been an outbreak. You have parents who feel one way or the other about the vaccine. It will definitely be another story that we will be following very closely. Jasmine, thank you so much.